During my meditation time, when I'm in deep frequency level, the level of higher consciousness, I have found out the meaning of greeting people through the word Namaskar. If you haven't watched this logical yet beautiful video, do watch. Here is a link. Watch it because you should know the actual meaning of the gesture of Namaskar. So allow yourself to enter in the magical or mysterious world of possibilities in Mahashivasthita. Today's my topic is self-love, and this is a series. So here basically I'm going to create my whole creation of beauties. What do we understand about self-love? Giving the time to self or doing whatever our mind says, whatever like to eat, like to wear, what to go, everything what allows our mood. Self-love is nurturing self-priorities, and there is nothing wrong in it. So self-love is a sense of beauty that we all should embrace. In many videos you will find beauty reflects on their products, medicines, machines, diets, lifestyle, clothes, quality, and all those other stuff. Beauty is not the color of lipstick or the pattern of cloth or a brand, what I feel. Beauty is a thought process. Beauty is not how we look only. I mean, in females, in women, looking good is the priority because females are symbolized as beauty in nature. And this is quite a mindset that beauty is only about looking good. But in ancient days, females were more powerful, because at that time, virtues speaks through work, decisions, and personality and power. Women were powerful because they knew where their power lies, exactly where they need to focus. They knew how to love self. They used to believe them. Society is always against what they cannot understand, right? We women are considered as mystery also, right? Because we know more than anything. We develop our senses and use them. As this topic is on self-love, I'll talk on this only. Nature is mother. Nature has many seasons as we women are mother, and we have many moods. We are special because we can create life. That's why in many rituals women worshipped as Devi, means who gives. Feeling of a mother, care in heart, can sacrifice her favorite thing on anything in the need of her child. That's why we call her Ma or mother. Everywhere she should be respected. But why in today's time females are mostly being abused, treated bad, beaten, fatally disturbed from mental health also? Why today she needs to watch time before going anywhere? Because she looks attractive or beautiful? That's why she is carrying priceless beauty within herself, and she is the only one who can make difference in these topics. Women are pure energy. They have got purification process each month. For that she goes by such pain that increase patience. So scientifically it's proven also that women body, biological body, has the ability to bear pain of purification and be patient at the same time. But at the same time people took it oppositely, and that's not new. Respecting, loving self is missing nowadays. These two things are very important: respect and self-love. If we cannot respect our own thought, our own decision, who will? Not only looks, but we are good at heart also. Can't we feel that? Beautiful face doesn't show beauty. It's like a plastic. Beauty is work that encourages others to grow in life. So here in Mahashivasita, we talk spiritual, we talk about mental illness and how to cure and take care of it. How to empower mind, how everything is working in the parallel world. How parallel world it reveals its mystery here. When we all come together to solve, no problems will be left. Because we focused on solution, not on problems. I'll come up with the next video with the same topic, self-love. Till the time, stay tuned, all those beautiful ladies, women, girls and souls. After all, we are the best creation of beauty. So this is for today. Take care.